want to talk about exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis (EDA) is very essential in it's very crucial stage in both data analysis and data science. So let me zoom my screen so that uh, so this data is 2019 general election. 2019 general election, Nigeria 2019 general election. We can see that the first column, which is column A, we have state. Column B, we have geopolitical zone. Column C, we have number of register. Column D, we have accredited voters. So like that till other voters in percentage. So the first thing we are going to do here is that we are going to make a table. To create a table, you click anywhere in your data, you now go to insert, then you'll see what table. So if you don't do it like that, you can click anywhere in your data and you press Ctrl T, then you have a table. You see that this states geopolitical zone and others are what our headers. You click what you click OK. Then we have a table. You can format a table and you design it as you like. So let me just go by the default one. By this. Let me just go by this one. So the other thing I want to do is that I want to, you see, if you create a table, your filter sign will come with it. So that's how we create a table. Now I want to do exploratory data analysis. So the first thing I want to do is that the data is already clean. We don't need to remove any duplicate. That's why. So let me go with a pivot table. Pivot table instead that you click anywhere in your data, then you come to your insert. After come to insert, you see pivot table. So you can click here and see some recommended table. Oh, you are using latest Excel. You see like okay, this is it. You can see recommended table. So we have what we have geopolitical zone by the PDP voters. We have geopolitical zone by APC voters. Geopolitical zone with others, but we don't go to recommended one. So we want to create it ourselves. Now, pivot table. Are you creating in a new sheet or in the existing sheet? If you are creating in a new sheet, you click OK. So OK now, you can just come. If you want to check the number of totals of what of PDP and APC, you can just come here. You see numbers will be placed on value. So let's see the PDP data. So this is total sum. If you check here, we have what we have sum. You check here, we have what we have sum. That sum you can change it to anything. Like you click on that list double list icon there, then you see value of table and value field setting. Then you can put it anyhow you like average or anything you concern what to do. But now with this data, I want to do what we want to count. I want to find the sum of APC and the PDP. Then the PDP also you put it on what? You put it on the values. So same thing, we need the value. We need the total value. You can see that we have what the sum of APC voters are what? Are the are this and the total vote of what APC is this. So the total vote of PDP is 11,262,970. While the total sum of APC is 15,119,000 and 847. For other party also like 2019, like Labour Party, ADC, that's around 2019 that I put that are not the major party then. So you can have what you can see that we have 86,900 and 869,756 and 758. So this is the party. This is the total number of the party. Now, so these are the sum. So again, you can now see that maybe you want to see their votes according to geopolitical zone, that each zone, what are the total sum of each geopolitical zone. You now see this geopolitical zone, you are going to drag it to what? You are going to drag it to rows so that they will be in row format. You can now see that in North Central, the votes we have in North Central for PDP, we have about 2,023,769. For APC, we have we have for APC we have 2,264,599. So for others, then we have just 11,100. We have 101,755. So this is how we calculate. This is how we calculate each what each total sum of the voters according to the geopolitical zone. So as you have this now, you can go ahead and do another some analysis there, that how many accredited voters from each zone. So total accredited total in each zone. Then you drag this accredited zone into what? Into this again. You can see that the accredited voters in each zone, for North Central we have this, for North East we have this, for this we have this, we have this. So then the total sum is this one. So with this now is help us to find the what? To find the accredited voters in each zone. We find the sum of the PDP voters in each zone. We, we find the sum of the APC voters in each zone. Then we find the what? We found the sum of other parties voters in each zone. So with this now, you can kindly represent this one in a diagram. But I will advise us that the first thing we need to do here is that the grand total, we need to off the grand total so that it will not show. Then you come to do that, you come to design, then grand total, you now off it, goes and column. By doing so, the grand total has go. Then you can design your pivot table as anyhow you like. You can design it anyhow. So after you do this, you can now actually visualize it in chart. So to do so, you click on anywhere on your pivot table, then you come to insert. After you click on insert, you see recommended charts. So you can go with this one. So all this table has been represented in a chart. So to see this now, you can see that some of accredited voters are represented by what? By blue. Some of PDP are represented by what? By red. And some of APC are represented by ash. And some of others voters are represented by what? By this yellow. So by mere looking, you can see that accredited voters in what? In North Central. North Central has the highest accredited voters, and they has APC has highest votes in North Central. Likewise, next by what? PDP next by the other voters. So if you go back to I mean that is Northwest rather. Northwest has the highest accredited voters. Then APC has highest APC voters, followed by APC and followed by others. This is 2019 election, general election. So after that, if you go back to North Central, you can see that North Central has total sum of what? Total sum of North Central. Then APC has the highest voters, and in each zone, you can see that in each zone. Let's remove that accredited voters. Let's remove it so that we just deal with what. Let me remove it so that we just deal with the three party we have. Okay, sorry. You come to what happened? Okay. I want to remove this. Some of accredited voters. Uh-huh. So when I've removed some of the accredited voters, you can see that PDP has blue icon, APC has what? APC has red icon, and others some have the hash icon. So by this now, if you check this very well, in Northwest, APC has highest voters in Northwest. In North Central, in Northeast, APC has the highest also. In Northwest, in North Central, APC has the highest votes, and in Northwest, APC has highest votes. But if you talk about Southeast and South, you can see that actually PDP has highest votes in North, Southeast and South. So this is the summation. This is the what? This is the summarize of what of our given data. So see you in the next class. Thank you.